Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is Mathematics 4024 of GCE and this is lecture number 11. Yesterday we did a few questions in question number 7 of exercise 2C, and the last part was C part. Today we are going to do the part number E, and the part number E is saying in the bracket they have written minus 5 minus 2 into minus 3. Yesterday I told you, as a mathematician, our first job is to remove these parentheses. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not multiplication. So this is simple addition. Because there is a minus symbol, so I have to write minus 7 multiplied by minus 3. Now it is multiplication clearly indicated by this cross symbol. So when minus and minus is multiplied, it will become positive, and this is 21. Now the next part is saying that f is minus 25 multiplied by minus 4. Minus 25 multiplied by minus 4. And then we are having the division symbol, and then we are having in the bracket minus 12 plus 32. Minus 12 plus 32. So ladies and gentlemen, we have to evaluate this part separately and this part separately, and then whatever the results is, we have to divide it. Okay. Minus and minus is plus 25, 4s are 100. And then we are having division symbol, and then we are having simple addition. So this is equal to 20. Now ladies and gentlemen, if we divide 100 by 20, so the answer is 5. The ultimate answer of this question is 5. Now we are turning our focus to part number G, and G is saying that G is saying that 3 multiplied by minus 3 whole square, and then minus, and then 7 minus 2 whole square, and that's it. So first we have to evaluate this. I will write 3 at its place, and then multiply, and then 3 threes are 9, and then minus, and in the bracket first I have to write 5 square. In the next session I am writing 27 minus 25. So the answer in this case is 2. Similarly, we are having h part 5 multiplied by square bracket start, parenthesis start, and 3 multiplied by minus 2. 3 multiplied by minus 2 minus 10. Minus 2 minus 10. Yes, then we are closing the square brackets. We are closing the square bracket. There is no parenthesis here. Okay, 5 multiplied by minus 6 minus 10. So 5 multiplied by minus 16, and that is minus 80 is the answer. Ladies and gentlemen, if your basic concept is clear, then you are well on your way to enjoy these sort of question. Next part is saying minus 12 divide by 2 square, and then we are having minus and minus 2, and then we are having this bracket closed. So I am writing minus 12 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 2. Now minus 12 divided by 6, which is equal to minus 2. There is J part as well. So J part is under the root 10, and then we are having minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, minus 2, and then parenthesis close. So in this case we have to first write 10 and then this minus with minus symbol, because the multiplication priority is more than this. So 3 and minus 2 is 6, and it means that it is equal to 16 under the root, and 4 is the answer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, part number 8 is question number 8 is saying use a calculator. So I will write only dys, means do yourself. Nothing is special there. For example, if I am wherever the parenthesis is written, you have to write the parenthesis. And if there is plus is written, you have to write the plus symbol. For example, I am doing the first part and nothing special is there. I am writing minus 55, then plus symbol, start parenthesis, minus 10 and parenthesis close, and then minus 10. So whatever sequence is in the question, there is no special symbol is used. So if I press is equal to, so minus 75 is the answer, and that you can see here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if I am doing the last one, which is under the root, so I have to press the under root symbol directly, parenthesis welcome, and then you have to write 10 and then minus, and then not minus, then you have to press multiply symbol, and then minus, and then 3, and then uh, well, let me do it again. 10 minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 parenthesis close, and the answer is 4. You can see the answer there as well. So nothing special is there. I can do all the question, but that will be the wastage of time. So that is why I want you people to do it, in case of any problem, you should write in the comment section, and then I will do it for you practically. Without wasting our time, I am moving my focus to intermediate level question, and that is question number 9. Question number 9, A part is saying, question number 9 and A part is saying, uh, evaluate, find the value of each of the following. Minus 24 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 divided by minus 6. Now, first of all, because there is multiplication, so we have to evaluate these first. When minus is multiplied with minus, it will give you positive, and when positive is multiplied with positive, so it will give you positive. 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20. And then we are having the division symbol, and that is minus 6. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that if we are changing this division by the multiplication symbol, so the next term will be reciprocated. Reciprocated. This is not 2, this is 24. This is 24 multiplied by 2. So 24 multiplied by 2 means that first there will be a negative symbol, and then there is 2 fives are 10, so it will be 240. When we multiply this 10 with 24, so it will become 240. And here you will, this minus will be cancelled with this, and the answer will be 40. In this case, we are having the answer is 40. Now we are turning our focus to B number part. 4 multiplied by 10. 4 multiplied by 10 minus 13 multiplied by minus 5. And then we have to solve it. Now 4 and 10, the multiplication priority is more than this negative symbol. So 40 and then minus, and then we have to multiply minus 65. Now in next step, 40 and this minus will become positive, and this will be 65. So it means that 105 is the answer. Now C part is saying that 16 minus 24, 16 minus 24 minus 57 minus 77, and then we are having divide by, and then we are having minus 2. So let us solve the brackets separately. 16 minus 24 mean minus 8, and then minus symbol will come on its place, and from this in the parenthesis there will be minus 20, and then divide symbol will come on its place, and then minus 2. Ladies and gentlemen, Now, because there is minus and there is division, so division priority is more than this negative. This priority is less than the priority of division. So we have to divide first these things. I will write minus 8 and then minus, and this minus will be cancelled and this will be 10. So now simple subtraction. So minus 18 is the answer. And now we are having part number D. And part number D is saying 160 divided by 160 divided by minus 40 and then minus 20 and divide by minus 5 divide by minus 5. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the priority of this is greater than this negative, so we have to do these parts separately, and then we will write 160 divided by, so it will be minus 40 minus, and this 20 divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 4. Ladies and gentlemen, one thing I want to say here, that whenever you are doing any calculation, then if it is allowed in paper, we do it on calculator. This is my experience, that you can see I did by heart this and I wrote 40. When you are doing it, it is 4. So if you are more experienced person, also do it on the calculator. So here it is minus 4 minus minus and then minus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 0. And now we are doing the E part, and that is braces and minus 10 and minus, this is question number E. So here it is, I was writing part number F. There is 12 minus 18 and then we are having divide by 3 minus 5 and then braces close, and then we are having multiplied by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Now first we are writing minus 6 because we are evaluating parenthesis, and then I will write divide by 3 and then minus 5 and then multiplied by minus 4 on its place. Ladies and gentlemen, now I have to divide this minus 6 by 3 because the priority of division is more than that of minus. So it will be minus 2 minus 5 and then minus 4. So minus 4 and minus sorry, minus 2 and minus 5 is minus 7 and minus 4 is equal to 28. So that is the whole story of the question number 9. Question number 10 again saying that perform all these activities you did in question number 9 by calculator. Again, I am telling you there is nothing special inside it. You can do these things. First, you have to write 24, then multiply symbol, then bracket, then minus 2, then multiply symbol, then 5, then division symbol, then bracket, and then you can do it like this. No special symbol is there inside it, so you can do these things. If by any means you are not being able to perform these activities clearly, then write in the comment section, and then I will tell you how to do it. Okay, now we are turning our focus to part number F, and that is, here we are writing this symbol first, then we are writing this symbol, and then parenthesis. Minus 15 plus 5. Minus 15 plus 5. And then the parenthesis close, multiplied by 2. And then we are writing plus 8, plus 8, and then we are closing what, the square bracket, minus 32, minus 32, and divide by 8, divide by 8, and then we are having minus minus 7, minus minus 7. Long question. You will be tested fully that what is the priority of which operator first. If you give a simple look to this question, the first priority is a parenthesis. So we will write this square, this braces, and then square brackets on its place, minus, and then this is minus 10 multiplied by 2 plus 8, and then I am closing the square bracket. Ladies and gentlemen, minus and the priority of this division is more than this subtraction. So first we have to write minus 32, and that will be minus 4. And then this minus 4 minus with minus plus 7. Okay, here the priority is first of these cross multiplication. So I am writing this, and then writing minus 10 multiplied, so minus 20 and plus 8, and then closing, and then minus 4, and so that will become plus 3. Minus 4 plus 7 will become plus 3. Here we are writing there is, close, there is, and there is also. So minus 20 plus 8 is minus 12 and plus 3, which is equal to minus 9, which is equal to minus 9. So this is the answer. Now we are doing the G part, and the G part is saying uh, minus 5 minus 2 whole square, and then whole cube it is. Yes, it is whole cube, and then multiplied by 2 plus, and then this bracket minus 4 plus minus 7, minus 4 plus minus 7, and then divide by minus 2 plus 4 whole square plus 4 whole square, and that is the answer. Okay, first parenthesis. So minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3, and 3, 27, multiplied by 2 plus, and then minus 4 minus 7, minus 11, and then divide by minus 2 plus, so this is 4, 2, and 2 2s are 4, that will be equal to 4. 4 minus 2, 2, and 2 square is 4. Now first we have to write this is 54, and this plus with minus 11, and then divide by 4, and then divide by 4. This is 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 5, yes it is, and then plus, and then minus 4 minus 7, minus 4 and minus 7. So first we have to divide this 11 by 4, and when we are dividing 11 by 4, so 4 twos are 8 and 3. So it means that 54 minus 2 whole 3 over 4. You have to write this. This is the style of CIE, that when there is a mixed fraction, you have to write it in mixed fraction, not the decimal. Remember, if the question is given in the decimal, then you have to give the answer in decimal. But if decimal is not there, then you have to write it in this particular format. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we have to simplify this. Again, I am writing 54 minus 11 divided by 4, which is this one. So you can directly write it here. Now I am taking the LCM as 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are, and this is 200, and this is 11. Ladies and gentlemen, if we subtract 11 from 216, then it will be equal to 5, 0, and 2. and then it will be divisible by 2. So if I am dividing again 205 by 4, so 4 5s are 20, and then 5 4 1s are 4 and 1. So it means that 51 whole 1 over 4 is the ultimate answer. Yes, it is. Now, H number part is saying that 3 minus 10. Ladies and gentlemen, because there is advanced level of question and we are running out of time. This is my uh, effort that always I should not exceed this class from 25 to 30 minutes because it is mathematics. So that's it for today. Before signing out, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will be immediately notified. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.